Good morning, children. Today's topic is Computer, a Wonderful Machine, Chapter 1. In this lesson, you will learn about what are machines, computer, a wonderful machine, how is computer different from other machine. Children, let us start now. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a computer. It is a machine. So let us find out, first of all, what are machines? Machines are things made by man. They make our work easy. They also save our time. Some machines need electricity to work and some do not. We use many machines in our daily life. Some examples of machines are given below. So children, see here in the picture, this is air conditioner. It keeps our room cool. Okay, this is washing machine. It helps us to wash our clothes. This is television. We watch movies and listen songs. This is a mobile phone. We can talk to our relatives and friends and do lot of things. This is a refrigerator. You can keep your vegetables, fruits in this refrigerator and make it cool. So these are all machines. Okay, some machines work with the help of electricity and some do not, like mobile phones. Okay, now let us learn about what is a computer. A computer is a wonderful machine. Why we call it wonderful machine? Let's learn. As you know, the computer is a machine. It needs electricity to run. With the computer, we can do lot of things like draw pictures, do sums, store information, watch movies, listen music, play games, learn music, learn English, record voice, send emails, learn maths. So children, we can do lot of things with the help of a wonderful machine which is called a computer. How is computer different from other machine? The other machines can only do the kind of work for which they have been made. Like I have told you earlier that television is a machine. With the help of electricity it runs. We can watch movies. So it is made for watching things like movies, news, whatever you want to see, what is happening in this world. So you can see that in the television, and you can also listen the different kind of music, right? So it is made particularly for that purpose. But computers can do many kinds of work. As I have told you earlier, they can what you can do in the computer, you can draw pictures, you can listen music, you can do mathematics, right, and many things. So children, I hope you understood this chapter. Did you know an abacus is also a machine? It has colorful beads used for counting. So you have seen small children, even now you can just use that machine for counting the numbers, right? Now children, you have to keep few things in your mind. Computer caution. What is that? Keep the computer room dust free. Cover the computer with a dust cover when you are not using it. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that is Clickipedia. A computer cannot work on its own. It needs instructions to do any work. I hope you have understood the chapter now. Let us do some exercises. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name any two machines, TV and mobile phones. I have written here TV and mobile phones, but you can write your own answers like refrigerator, air conditioners, okay, other machines you can write down. Question number 2. What is a computer? Computer is a machine. Now you have to do some homework also. Question number 1. Write any two man-made things. Anything you can write down. Pencil, eraser, blackboard, car, TV. So these are man-made things only. Okay. So write any two. Question number 2. Draw a computer and color it. You have to draw a picture of a computer in your computer notebook and color it. Thank you.